Welcome to our channel, where we unlock the secrets to building meaningful connections and creating great relationships with women. Are you ready to revolutionize your approach to relationships and discover the keys to fostering deep and fulfilling connections with the women in your life? Building great relationships starts with understanding yourself and what you truly desire in a connection. Effective communication is vital. We'll show you how to express yourself authentically and actively listen to create a strong foundation. Through our videos, we provide invaluable insights, proven strategies, and expert advice to help you navigate the intricacies of building exceptional relationships with women. Self-confidence is attractive. We'll share tips on developing self-assurance and embracing your unique qualities. Emotional intelligence plays a crucial role in fostering deeper connections. We'll guide you on understanding emotions and building empathy. Our channel goes beyond generic advice, offering personalized insights that can be applied to your specific circumstances. Understanding the psychology of attraction can help you navigate the dating landscape with confidence. We'll explore strategies for creating genuine connections and discovering compatibility. Whether you're single, dating, or in a committed relationship, our videos provide actionable tips to help you foster strong and lasting bonds. We'll address common challenges in relationships and offer strategies to keep the flame alive. Trust, respect, and effective conflict resolution are key ingredients for nurturing long-term connections. Our channel is a vibrant community where you can connect, seek guidance, and share experiences with like-minded individuals. Subscribe now to our channel and embark on an empowering journey towards building exceptional relationships with women. Hit that subscribe button and join our thriving community. Let's unlock the secrets to thriving relationships together.